Kit lenses often get overlooked by photographers looking to upgrade their gear. But some of the best kit lenses over the years deserve more appreciation. In this video, we'll highlight the top 7 kit lenses that stand out for their sharpness, versatility, and value. Whether you're just starting out or looking to go back to basics, these lenses deliver impressive image quality without breaking the bank.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Nikon Z24 120mm f4 EDVR kicks off our list as a compact yet powerful 5x standard zoom lens. With its fixed f4 aperture maintained throughout the zoom range, you get sharp results across landscapes, portraits, weddings, and more. The second-generation vibration reduction delivers exceptional image stabilization for handheld shooting flexibility. From its advanced silent wave motor for quiet AF to ED elements that minimize aberrations, this lens utilizes Nikon's latest technologies for consistent performance, whether in the studio or on location. For FX format shooters wanting a versatile optic that punches above its weight, the Z24 120mm f4 is tough to beat. Next is the Lumix G-Lens HX015. An impressive lens ideal for diverse situations. Its bright f1.7 aperture lets you create stunning portraits with softly blurred backgrounds. Including an aperture ring provides intuitive exposure control, while the AF/MF switch enables a seamless transition between focusing modes when framing up shots. Reducing ghosting and flare through all lighting conditions, the nano surface coating enhances clarity and contrast. Fast, precise autofocus paired with smooth aperture adjustment proves this an exceptional lens for 4K video and still capture. With a sophisticated 9 elements in 7 groups, designed minimizing aberrations, it delivers pro-level image quality from Leica's uncompromising standards. Here we have Fujifilm's XF 18-55mm f2, 8:4, a versatile 27-84mm zoom for X-mount cameras. Its bright f2, 8:4 maximum aperture maintains exposure across difficult lighting, while a linear motor enables quiet, smooth autofocus, ideal for video. Optically, an extra low dispersion element minimizes chromatic aberrations for high clarity through the range. 3 aspherical elements also control distortions for improved sharpness. With a sleek form factor complementing Fujifilm's compact mirrorless bodies, the XF 18-55mm pack speed, advanced optics, and enhanced stabilization into a portable package perfect for everyday shooting. The Sigma 17 50mm FE2 8 impresses as a large aperture standard zoom lens made exclusively for digital SLRs. With a wide 17mm minimum focal length and compact construction under 92mm long, it's a versatile travel lens. Optical stabilization provides up to 4 stops of shake correction, while a hypersonic motor enables fast, quiet autofocus. It also boasts FLD glass to control aberrations, plus a super multi-layer coating to reduce flare and ghosting. From f2, 8 brightness across the zoom range for blurred backgrounds, to a minimum focus distance of 28 cm for close-up shots, it combines performance and portability like a few other standard zooms. Travel photography reaches new extremes with the pioneering Tamron 18-400mm f/3, 5-6.3 zoom. As the world's first 22.2x all-in-one lens for APS-C cameras, its incredible focal range delivers wide-angle to a mighty 620mm full-frame equivalent telephoto for immense versatility. VC image stabilization provides steady handheld shooting at the tele end, while a moisture-resistant construction tackles the elements. With advanced optics minimizing distortions across the entire vast zoom range, you can capture stunning landscapes one moment and distant wildlife the next. all with pro-level sharpness. For travel and everyday general photography, combines convenience and performance like never before. The Nikon Z24 70mm f4S exemplifies state-of-the-art Nikkor quality optimized for mirrorless. Part of Nikon's elite S-line series engineered to the highest standards, it unlocks the full potential of the Z system with flawless sharpness, rich color, and beautiful bokeh. A constant f4 aperture maintains even exposures when zooming, while a stepping motor enables quiet, fast autofocus ideal for video. Weighing just 500 grams, it balances perfectly on compact Z bodies for all-day carry. Whether wide landscapes, intimate portraits, or anything in between, this is the new everyday zoom lens for those wanting the best for their Z camera. Finally, the Canon RF24 105mm f/4L ES-USM is a versatile full-frame zoom, showcasing the advantages of the new RF mount. While maintaining a constant f/4 aperture across the range, Nano USM focus enables smooth, quiet autofocus great for video. With up to 5 stops of image stabilization, sharp handheld shots are easily achievable. The inclusion of an additional customizable control ring provides intuitive exposure adjustments when shooting through the EVF. And at just 700 grams, the 24-105mm retains an impressively compact, lightweight design. For Canon full-frame mirrorless shooters wanting an all-purpose optic covering wide-angle to short telephoto with pro-grade performance, it offers it all in a highly portable package. So those were the top 7 kit lenses of all time. Do let us know what you think of these cameras, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this.